Alright, we're back. Okay, this is a demagnetizer. So there's the numbers if you give a squat. So all you do is flip this thing on. Hear the buzzing noise? You pass your part through there and it's no longer magnetized. Works really, really well. I use it all the time. Magnetized stuff is bad because it collects iron metal deposits. And I'm pretty sure we don't want that inside of our brand new clean lifter that we just made. Turn it on, cycle it through. Boom, it is done. That's all you need to do. Okay, now we're going to try to put it together again. Step ring, you got a sharp edge and dull edge. This side's dull, this side is a sharp edge. I can feel it. So it goes up. And my Phillips screwdriver right here, there it is. Always make sure your clip is in there good. Oh, I like to take my clip and just spin it around my screwdriver a little bit just to make sure it's in the groove. Moves freely. So we're in. Alright, so there's a rebuilt lifter and it's primed already. So it's good to go. So that should be like new. Okay, I'm going to lay that somewhere clean spot, right on a table over there. Okay, now I'm going to take this one apart and do the same thing to it. And we'll feel for that grit again and see if we can feel anything. Now it could be also why those S&S lifters are not working. We'll check and see. Because they will be coming apart. Guaranteed. S&S claims they clean 100% of their lifters to make sure they're good. That's what they used to do. I don't think I do that anymore. Okay. First thing down, I have to get that clip out of there. Quite as easy as it looks there all the time. Okay, put that on the table again. Oh, what a shocker, he ain't coming. It moves, but don't want to come out. Got to give it a nice, strong, firm pull. Can't just yank on it. Okay, everything's out again. I'm going to do the same thing again. I'm going to feel for residue on anything. Man, throat. Alright, that's good. Don't feel anything. Go ahead and blow on it. I know I'll do it easier just right at the bottom down here. Take your fingers and feel around. See if you feel any grit. I don't feel any grit on this one. It's dry. Or not dry, but no grit. No grit. Appear to be grit free. There's how the oil gets in there. Comes through the hole on the side. Your lifter body has a bunch of hole grooves in there. I don't know if you can see them, but that's how the oil gets into the lifter. I mean, there's a push rod. So kick the tripod. Okay, we're going to clean this out real good here. Good. Once again, no grit. Checking to see if it's magnetized. I don't feel any magnetism, but it's definitely nothing in it now. Finger doesn't quite fit in the hole. Now you got to be careful about introducing lint into your system too. So after you do that, you always blow it out. Make sure there's no lint in the hole. Lint is always a bad thing. Once again, no grit. So I'm going to dip this in the oil and pre-lube it. It's lubed. So we're going to put that as clean right now, so don't want to put on the dirty rag. Okay, now that's clean. Of course, I put everything else in a dirty rag and don't care. You notice that? Clean my dirty hands. Okay, so I'm going to put the lifter back up together. Okay. Sharp edge, dull edge. Can definitely feel a difference. Make sure the clip's in the hole. See a little better maybe. It's hard to get the same vision I'm looking at. Alright, see, make sure the clip is in the hole. Push down on the plunger a little bit. Make sure the snap ring is free in there. There you go. Now this one here is compressible. See, it goes up and down pretty easy. And definitely have to pump up. I don't think the other one did that easy. This is the first one we did. Oh, it still moves too. Slightly stiffer, but it still moves. Okay, this was our bad lifter before, so I'm going to keep it separate. We'll put that in the front cylinder, we can get to it easily. Okay, so I'm going to do another lifter here. So we couldn't tell if we had one lifter or two bad lifters, but we'll find out, because definitely had one that was bad there. It's full of grit. Explain why it was coming and going when it was working. When the grit got under the ball, it would quit working. When the grit blew out, it worked fine. Okay. Just take the screwdriver and push down a little bit on it. Get a good view of my hand about all you're going to do of it there. And it's hard to see what I'm actually doing. So you go in here. It's very difficult. Everything's in the way around here to do this stuff. Okay, so get your snap ring pliers in there. Push the plunger down a little bit. So the snap ring will come out. Get it to come out. Make sure nothing flings up in your face. And there you go. Nice and easy. I think we got the procedure down now. I guess I'm going to have to start doing this with every lifter I put in the bike to make sure they work. Been getting a lot of bad lifters, take forever to pump up, and I've got a lot of the shops and people I've talked to have the same issues. They blame it on bad lifters. I bet you it's just dirty lifters. Okay, so let's see what we got this time. A little grit. Nothing. Oil in there, but no grit. Get a piece of grit off the rag though. All right. Pull it all off. Put a towel in there to clean it. Rotate it to wipe it. It's fine. Put some oil in there to lubricate it. That should be good to go. Device to hold it. Lubricate this one, pre-lube it. So once you see lube on the ball, you know it's lube. And you can't just put this in the lifter because the spring will fall out. Let gravity help you by holding it together. That. I didn't demagnetize that again, did I? Keep forgetting to do that. It's best not to do this as assembly on a demagnetizing. It is what it is. Okay, let's see. That's the sharp one, the dull one. popped a little bit when I first went to turn it. It tells me it wasn't in all the way. Oh. Yep, goes up and down. Okay, 3 down. So far, I only got one with grit. So last one. See if this one gets grit in it. So I know I had at least one bad one.
Hey, Tatro.
Hi.
Luca and I haven't annoyed you in a while.
You're on camera right now.
What's up?
You're on video right now.
Oh, your video?
Yeah. That means you're interrupting.
Audio too?
Yeah, video cameras have audio.
Oh, I thought you were gonna edit the video.
Me edit?
And edit
Have you ever
audio,
watched? Have
my
you ever
voice
watched?
out of it.
Have you ever watched my videos?
Yeah, I've seen
Do they look like
the
they're edited?
3-star reviews on
Are they edited?
Google Maps.
Do they look like they're edited?
Nah. Got a tapper.
Come on. Yeah, we got a couple in there acting up. This one doesn't want to come out. It's like it's stuck.
So,
All right.
I know twin cams are too new
Hold
for
on.
you.
Okay, we'll be back. I'm gonna let this one sit for a little bit and help customers. All right, twin